Hey traders, welcome back to FTMO. Today, we're tackling one of the toughest parts of trading psychology, accepting losses. Nobody likes it, but how you deal with losses can make or break your trading journey. Losses are an inevitable part of trading. That's a fact we all rationally know, right? But the real struggle comes from emotional response to a loss. What I see often is that instead of processing the emotion, traders feel the urge to get over it, trying to bear their frustration and move on. The problem is, the harder they push away those feelings, the more pressure and resistance can build up, and that tends to linger. A trader I once worked with, let's call him Jake, can be our example. Jake is a disciplined trader with a solid system, but whenever he takes a loss, he feels this heavy disappointment. He tells himself, I should just move on, forget it, and focus on the next trade instead. At first, that sounds reasonable, right? But here's what actually happened. Because Jake tried to push away the frustration, it lingered. He felt even more pressure, more tension, and eventually that spilled over into his decision-making. His next trades got riskier and his emotions started running the show. So, what's happening here? By resisting the emotional reaction to a loss, Jake created even more resistance. It's like trying too hard not to think about something. The more you fight it, the stronger it sticks. Losses do suck. They hurt because they matter. And pretending that they don't matter when there is a real feeling created can only increase the frustration. Here's the shift. Instead of rushing to suppress the feeling, allow it. Give it some space. Admit the obvious. This loss sucks. And let yourself feel it. Because ironically, by opening the door to the emotion, you reduce its power over you. And you might be surprised that the emotion won't need to stay for too long once you give it the space that it's asking for. And here's a reframe. The fact that a loss stings is not your weakness. It's proof that you actually care about your trading. It shows that you're invested, that your work has meaning and impact. When you stop fighting the emotion and start acknowledging it, something powerful happens. You move through it faster. The frustration doesn't build up and sabotage the next trades. Over the long term, this practice builds emotional regulation and resilience. Because instead of carrying unprocessed baggage into every decision, you train yourself to handle setbacks with clarity. And clarity is what keeps your edge sharp and your discipline intact. So here's my challenge for you. The next time you take a loss, don't rush to move on. Pause for a moment. Say it out loud if you need to. This loss sucks and I feel disappointed. Then remind yourself, it sucks because you care, and that's actually a good thing. By giving yourself the space, you'll find it much easier to move forward to the next trades with clarity and intention. Now, I would love to hear from you. How do you usually handle losses? Do you try to brush them off quickly, or do you let yourself feel them? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And see you in the next video!